Tes. Hello, Memberning. Uh, I want to presenting my final test about the similarities and differences between hospital and Ferrari pit stop. Background of identification. The similarities is number one, clear and rapid communication. Both rely on delivering critical information quickly and accurately. Second, dependence on background information pit stop. There is car condition, tire strategy, rest context, and hospital is patient host history, current condition, previous event. And the third is team coordination. The team coordination is each member has a specific role and must work in sync. And number four is high stakes. So in the hospital, the similar of between Ferrari pit stop is small errors can lead to significant consequences. And number five is standardized procedures. In pit stop F1 is uh, rehearsed pit stop steps, and the hubs in the hospital is structured handover process. And the differences is objective. The pit stop is maximize speed and performance. And in hospital insurance is the insurance must be patients, must be safety and quality of care. And the second is type of activity. In the Ferrari pit stop is physical and simultaneous actions, and the hospital communication and information must be transferred. And the number three is work process. In pit stop perform simultaneously in seconds, and the hospital is conducted sequentially across the shift. And number four is work environment. In the Ferrari pit stop must be fast-paced, noisy, and competitive. But in hospitality, the clinic must be controlled and safety focused. And the last is impact of errors. In the Ferrari pit stop, time loss or race failure, and in hospital, risk to patient safety. The situation, hazard and risk. The similar in uh, Ferrari pit stop and hospital, the similar is time critical operation. When the pit crew install the wheel, maybe there is some mistake, so the wheel can be loose, and it's the same uh, in the hospital too. The nurse must be pay attention to the step when treating patients. So the hazard is time pressure. The risk is mistake due to rushing and skip steps. And the second is miscommunication. If there are unclear instruction between pit stop, maybe the crew can give wrong release signal. So when the the miscommunication uh in pit stop crew maybe is possible because maybe there is something wrong they can say to another crew. It's the same in the hospital. The nurse can give wrong medication because of the wrong information transfer. So the hazard is wrong action taken and critical information missed. The differences is number one, situation process variability. In Ferrari, pit crew use the same steps every time they works, but in the hospitality, the steps can be different. There is a different case. Maybe the case is in the patient in their head, or maybe in their hand. So the works is the step maybe will be different between in Ferrari pit stop. So in in hospital, the steps can be different and depending in the patient's diagnosis. And the second is communication. In Ferrari pit crew, the communication with quick radio or sign like to communicate it with another crew or driver. But in hospital, the nurse must communication with detailed structure communication. They don't they don't that can be serious missing information. So in the Ferrari pit stop crew, they communication like uh they must be uh they must know about their sign like the like or something like that and stuff. But in the hospital, they must be structured because uh they working with a patient that the patient is also live. So if they make a mistake, there must be a dangers to the patients. Handover or Handover coordination. The similar is have the first happens at a critical transition point. In the Ferrari, car arrives, uh, crew takes over, car relays back to the driver. And the hospital, one staff finishes shift, and the next staff takes care patient's care. And the second, structure communication. Both are structure communication. The information must be clear, short, and accurate. In F1, or I'm sorry, in the Ferrari pit crew stop, use predefined signals and short commands. But in hospital, often uses SBIR. It's like structure communication in hospital. And the last is sequential and synchronized actions. Both our tasks follow a fixed order and timing must match perfectly. And the differences is speed and completeness. In Ferrari pit stop crew, the coordination must be faster and detailed so they can efficiency timing. But in hospital handover, the coordination is more detailed and true. The priority is completeness and accuracy. And the second is process flexibility. In the Ferrari pit crew stop are highly standardized and repetitive, but in the hospital more flexible depending on the patient condition. So they can uh, choose and they can think about the diagnosis of the patients. And the last is decision making during handoff. In Ferry pit stop crew, mostly pre-plan it, little thinking during execution. The execution, but also focus. But in the hospital, they require real time, uh, overcome critical judgment. They must thinking and decision focus. The recommendation to the uh, Ferrari pit stop crew and the hospital, the similar. Based on the assessment result, the Ferrari pit stop shows tire wear, recommended tire rechange, and in hospital, patient condition, recommended treatment or monitoring, both depend on previous evaluation. The second is clear and concise communication. Both are must be easy to understand and direct. So when they communication, they must be understanding by each other. But in the easy communication, so they can understand uh, what what can what will they do to their works. And the last is high impact on outcome. If the uh, Ferrari pit stop crew makes some mistake, they get time loss or unsafe release. If the nurses in hospital make some mistake, they can do wrong treatment or patient wound. And the differences is number one, speed of recommendation. The Ferrari pit stop given instantly. They in the sorry, I'm sorry. In the Ferrari pit stop given instantly, so they must be fast to do their work. And but in the hospital Hanover given with more time and explanation, so they can slower but must be detailed. And the second is communication style. In Ferrari pit crew, with short comments like give sign or signal. But in Hospital Hanover, with structure and descriptive. So they must be detailed to get the information or give information of the patients. The last is impact of wrong recommendation. The Ferrari pit stop can get lost time, position, and possible safety issue, maybe to the crew or to the driver. But in the Hospital Hanover, with serious patients, warm, uh, patients harm or death. So this is my last my final test in this uh, semester. I hope I can get nice score. Amen. Thank you, ma'am.